everyone, welcome back to my channel Scrumptious Innovations. Today I'm thrilled to bring you a truly special and unique recipe from the heart of Bengal. The Bhapa egg curry. This recipe is a hidden gem in Bengali cuisine, combining the simplicity of everyday ingredients with the rich aromatic flavors that Bengali food is famous for. The name is Bhapa, means steamed, and in this recipe we will be steaming our egg to perfection before incorporating them into a delicious curry. This method not only enhances the texture of the eggs but also infuses them with a delightful, subtle flavor that makes this recipe stand out. Whether you are hosting a festive gathering, celebrating a special occasion, or simply looking to surprise your family and friends with something extraordinary, Bhapa egg curry is sure to be a hit. It is a versatile dish that pairs wonderfully with rice, luchi, puri, or paratha, making it perfect for lunch or dinner. And the best part, you don't need any fancy ingredients, just some fresh eggs, aromatic spices, and a few everyday vegetables. So let's get started. First, collect a steel tiffin box and brush it with mustard oil. Break a few eggs into the tiffin box and mix in turmeric, salt. Salt would be according to your taste. And chopped green chilies. See, our mixture is completely ready. Now place the tiffin box in a pan. Filled with warm water, ensuring the water level should be below the lid. See, the water level should be below the lid. Now place a heavy object on the lid to keep it steady and cover the pan. Allow it to steam until the eggs are fully cooked and set. On the other side, heat mustard oil in a pan and fry the potatoes pieces with a sprinkle of salt and turmeric powder until they are golden brown. Okay, see how beautifully eggs are baked. I will cut it into pieces like paneer. Just look at these guys. Each pieces are fluffy and soft. Let me show you. extremely soft. Our potato fry is completely ready. I'll set it aside. Now in the same pan, heat some mustard oil again. With salt and turmeric powder, fry all these egg pieces very cautiously. Do not break them. You just have to shallow fry each pieces this way. Do not over fry these pieces. Once they are done, again set them aside. Heat some mustard oil again and add bay leaves, cumin seeds, dry red chilies. Saute until aromatic, then add chopped green chilies and onions. Fry with a pinch of turmeric and salt until the onions turn golden. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Then add chopped tomatoes. Cooking until the tomatoes soften. Add a splash of water to prevent burning. Followed by coriander powder, cumin powder, meat masala, this is completely optional, garam masala powder and Kashmiri red chili powder, this is also optional. Stir well and let the spices cook until they release their aroma. Add a bit of tomato ketchup and kasuri methi. Mixing well and cooking until the oil starts to separate from the masala. Cover and let it cook for a while. Add the fried potatoes to the pan and mix well. Pour in water to create a broth. Adjust the salt to taste and cover the pan for a while. Let it simmer until the potatoes are tender. Finally, add the pre-fried egg pieces and mix very gently. Sprinkle a bit more garam masala powder. Cover and let it cook for a few more minutes and add a bit more tomato ketchup for an extra tangy touch. Your Bhapa egg curry is now ready to serve. Look at this beautiful, rich and flavorful Bhapa egg curry. Perfectly fluffy eggs, tender potatoes and a spicy aromatic curry that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Serve this mouth-watering curry with rice, luchi, puri or paratha and enjoy the authentic taste of Bengal in every bite. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Scrumptious Innovations for more exciting recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and stay delicious.